I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter chicken street food Zaika. First, you'll want to marinate your chicken. Take about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken pieces and combine them with a generous dollop of plain yogurt, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a blend of aromatic spices like red chili powder and turmeric. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let this flavorful mixture rest for at least 30 minutes to infuse the chicken with incredible taste. Once your chicken is beautifully marinated, it's time to cook it. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook them until they are tender, juicy, and have a lovely light char on the outside. This step is crucial for developing that authentic street food flavor. Remove the cooked chicken from the pan and set it aside. We'll add it back later. Now for the heart of our butter chicken, the sauce. In the same pan, add a bit more butter and sauté finely chopped onions until translucent. Then, add diced tomatoes, a handful of cashews for richness, and a few green chilies for a subtle kick. Cook until softened, then blend this mixture into a silky smooth paste. Return the paste to the pan, add more butter, a splash of cream, and a pinch of sugar, simmering gently. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold your cooked chicken pieces into the simmering, creamy butter chicken sauce. Let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a final swirl of cream for that irresistible finish. Serve this delicious street food Zaika hot with warm naan bread or fluffy basmati rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.